Mahigala, welcome to Cebu Home and Builder Center. So, namoni ang Cebu Home and Builder Center diri sa Banilad sa Dakbayan sa Mandaue. Karong adlaw nagsugod ang ilang mega year-end sale sa tanano nga mga branches mga higala o ni atong suruyon ang mga baligya nga nag-offer og dagko nga discount no from 20% to 70%. O mao ni mga higala no ang mga si Mr. Jaime de Leon ang operations manager sa Cebu Home and Builder Center.
We are now in our showroom Banilad. So one of our highlighted products is the pool sanitary system. So as you can see right here, this is the new and trending sanitary collection. So when you say new, say bangko niya, this is an integrated intelligent toilet. So again, there's this controls na open and close by itself, and then next ana it has a heated seat, sensor operated cover. When you say sensor, unsa na sensor? So when ka nagkaion na ka, mubuon lang ka, mo-open na siya o giyaha. And then if ikaw man mo pangihi, biyaan na sa nimo, mo-flash mo sa siya o giyaha.
Wow.
And then if mo ana na yung mga question, sir, whenever magubak man yun ang butang, no, unsay mga pamaagi, so di na ma-flash, di na tanan. Nagyan po tayo control remote ano niya. So this is the control remote for this item. So anything is been as much as possible ang i-capture lang yun ano niya is less than if ato ibutang siya in general na mga areas, di na kayo siya kanang normally good magbuha-buha man kang ugaw ni nalimpiuhan maka ni. So might as well automatic na yun siya na no wala gyud mo ilabot unless na lang yun na you need to use it for you need to magbawas na kita. So that's the only way na you have to control it.
Pag flash niya, automatic sad.
Automatic sa siya. The moment na yung sensor wala na yung makita na visible or wala na yung ma-read sa iyang sensor, mo flash na sa siya. And also it has a built-in as we called it washer wiper for our So this is one of the latest collection na to be cool.
Oh.
How much is it, sir?
Currently it's on sale. The regular price is 69,900 and it's currently on sale by 30%. Now it is 48,000 from 69 to 48,000.
Okay. Integrated intelligent toilet.
Integrated intelligent toilet. So then it has a, shall we say, more icon panel na unsay na currently activated niya. So if you want to ask me all about the functions and comfort niya, it's just here. I couldn't explain everything na because it will take time. So when you say the functions, please take note lang niya mga functions and comfort niya. Right? Now, let me lead you lang sa atong I think we're the first one here in Cebu nga naaayon na tiles nga collection. We call now a step tiles. So normally the size of this is what unsa na ang ginahimo sa industry karon kay this is a pre-made na tiles daan. So as much as possible sukdo na yun nato daan. We need to know the length, the size, and the width of our stairs in order for us to use this. And then it is grade 11, grade R11. So when we say grade R11, this is highly recommended for the outside use purposes. Scratch resistance also. So kung agi o mga heavy, may mga heavy na mga equipment ang agi, I don't know if there are other kuwan na paagihan siya, pero this can withstand to a certain PSI. Pero let me try to check lang kung how pila siya ka PSI ang iya ko withstand. So this is the new collection of the Cebu Home Builders, our stepstone tiles. Because actually, mao din siya iyang inside your house, mao ni siya ang stepstone. So one way na siya. Normally yun, when you do tiles sa stairs, dili yun ang putuga ang tiles and makita mo route dili. So this one wala na dit clean na dito siya. Mura siya one way tiles na dito siya. Nya kani siya it's sold separate sa siya. Sa tiles niya yung step style and then riser, we call this riser para mo cover sa pilay distance sa stairs nila. So this is one of the latest. I think we're the first one here in Cebu na naaaning design.
So specific gid ang iyang measurement, sir.
Yes, specific. And
So maggama kog balay sa hagdan dapat
we have to coordinate with that one. If you want to use this steps, one-way step tiles, then we have to get the measurement.
Okay.
If ever man gani nga mas bigger iya ha, but we could buy ma-extend na to siya, so we have to cut it. So we suggest na if ever you will create a new house, so check lang yun if ever you want to use this. That's why we need to introduce this to the market kasi mostly man good pre-made na ang stairs, naka-finishing na lang siya o kanang siminto. So anihin nila diri, kita nila diri, pero di namin maka-accommodate kasi mas dako nila ha. So dili din siya pati kasi okay lang if bubok siya maapas. If mas leaner or mas thinner ang ilahang steps, okay na maapas naman siya. Pero if mas bigger pa gid siya, lisod na kayo mag-apas para masampag na we call it ma-align with ang iyahang from the riser to the tiles.
Okay.
Alright. So again, ang R11 meaning to say scratch resistance. Meaning if naamoy mga like heavy equipment